Some places don't need filters, they just need your time, and Rishikesh is one of them. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This vlog is the last leg of our Uttarakhand trip. And whenever we are in Uttarakhand, 2 days in Rishikesh minimum are mandatory. No questions asked, we love this place that much. Rishikesh isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Known as the yoga capital of the world, people from all over come here to slow down, breathe, and reconnect. This is where the holy Ganga flows straight from the Himalayas, and that unreal shade of green that instantly calms you. Spiritual on one side, adventurous on the other, from yoga and meditation to river rafting, bungee jumping, and zip lining, Rishikesh somehow finds the perfect balance. Maybe that's why it keeps calling us back. We left Kanatal early morning and stopped for breakfast on the way. Just some quick travel info: if you're planning this route, Rishikesh to Kanatal is about 90 kilometers, which takes about 4 hours by road. The nearest airport is Jolly Grant Airport, which it's about 35 kilometers away, and the nearest railway station is Haridwar. Our agenda for the day was very clear. Reach our most favorite Beatles Cafe ASAP. Daisha was flying back to Mumbai from Dehradun, and before heading to the airport, she just wanted to spend some time at Beatles. Our stay was booked at Social Stays near Lakshman Jhula, barely 150 meters from Beatles Cafe. Rishikesh has plenty of hostels, and honestly, we love staying in hostels here. They suit the vibe of the town. The rooms here are smaller compared to the Dehradun property, but they are very clean, comfy, and come with all basic amenities. There's a rooftop cafe, a common waiting area with activities, and extremely friendly and courteous staff. We got a free upgrade, shout out to Mr. Amit, and our room was just opposite the rooftop cafe. The food here, oh my god, countless cups of tea, coffee, ginger lemon honey tea, Maggi, parathas, and soulful meals. Comfort food done right. When we reached Beatles Cafe, it was closed that day. So we went to the next best Tat Cafe just next to it. We spent some quiet time there with Daisha, and then we did some shopping for her.
Communication and creativity. This is rose quartz for heart chakra, very good for relation and harmonic balance. This is citron is for solar plexus chakra, very good for artist also. Very good for money abundance. This is 7 चक्र है ना मैम, उसके अकॉर्डिंग है। लक्ष्मण झूला है 1927 ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया, और राम झूला 1986 का है, ये नया 1986 राम झूला, एंड वन इज जानकी सेतु, दिस इज 2010। रियल नेम इज राम झूला इज शिवानंद झूला। लक्ष्मण झूला और जानकी सेतु बस ये लक्ष्मण वो राम, तो वो जानकी सेतु, इसलिए इसको बजरंग कर दिया।
In the evening, Rashnika and I simply walked around Tapovan, soaking in the vibe, the lights, the energy. The next morning, after breakfast at the hostel, we headed to Freedom Cafe, which is on the other side of the river. So we walked via the new Bajrangi Jhula, which will soon have glass flooring. It wasn't officially open yet. Work was still in progress, but it was fun crossing. Walking through narrow lanes, window shopping, dodging monkeys and cows, this chaos is part of Rishikesh's charm. We are going to Home Freedom Cafe. I'm coming here for the 3rd time. Let's see if we get to sit here. It's the Bajrang Jhula. And we were on that side. Now we have come to this side. Rashnika is sitting here. This is not pita bread, but I think of the same dough they have made roti kinds, and Rashnika is making a roll out of it. Oh wow, Rashnika, you're putting salad also?
For you.
Oh, thank you. Just one. I think for shawarma they keep that wrap kind of thing. So it's After Freedom Cafe, we spent some quiet time at the Ganga Ghat and then walked across Ram Jhula, one of our favorite things to do here. And finally, we made it to Beatles Cafe. The sunset view from here is unmissable. The food is delicious, the vibe is magical, and this is exactly why we love this place so much. The next day we went looking for our furry friends Cherry and Jerry. We had met them here about a year back when they were just 2-3 months old. They had been shifted to another place, so after some searching we had to take a lunch break, and that was at 60s Beatles Cafe, which is another gem in Rishikesh. Post lunch again the search started, and we finally found where they come in the evenings. And when we met them again, they recognized us. Super excited, super naughty. Our hearts were full.
He has taken my bottle and now he's playing with it. Hi!
On our final day, post breakfast, we went back to the riverbank. No rush, just sitting there soaking it all in. There are some places they don't say goodbye, they simply call you back. And Rishikesh always does that. I hope you enjoyed our Uttarakhand vlogs. If Rishikesh has ever touched your soul, tell me in the comments what you love most about it. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, Kapi TM. And if you haven't watched our Uttarakhand vlogs, I'm posting the links in the description. Do watch them. Love you all. Take care. See you soon.